sa doctor ng mama ko. Ito yung pamangkin ko, kumakain ng ice cream. Iya, say hi. She's enjoying eat ice cream. Wow! She's enjoying to eat ice cream. And that old girl, these old girls selling banana peel. It's a very cheap to buy about that. This is the people there buying there, and Mama's clinic is there on the top there. Look at her, she enjoy it. Time. Sa Victorias. Gandang araw. Ayun, ganda. Sobrang ganda. Basta Victorias. Super ganda. Ang ganda. Oh, good. This is the fresh. Si Colette at si Mama. Si Colette at si Mama.